They move silently and leave almost no trace, lying in wait on grassy patches or under thick canopies with absolute patience. They keep their bodies close to the ground, attentively listening for the faintest movements. Then, when the moment is right, a single leap, up to 10 feet, allows the bobcat to accurately capture its prey. Bobcats are opportunistic hunters, employing various strategies depending on the prey. They can climb trees to catch birds or wait by streams to catch fish. When targeting larger prey, bobcats use short, powerful bursts of speed, reaching up to 30 miles per hour, to exhaust their quarry before making the decisive move.